Sunday, it's 5:11 in the morning. Program natin ngayon, 12 kilometers. It's 6:30 to 6:50 pace. Warm up lang tayo ng 5 minutes. And then, sabak na tayo agad sa goal pace natin. Start. Let's go. Hanapin natin yung sweet spot. Today, ang challenge natin, the full 12 kilometers. Walang tubig. Sustained pace. Kilometers. 10 kilometers pa. Start. Ang pinakamahirap talaga is the first 3 kilometers. Grabing laban sa utak. Tapos naantok ka pa. Okay lang yan. Parte yan. 3 4 8 12. Ito na lang malapit. Sobrang lapit na yun. 6 kilometers. Balik na tayo. U-turn. Ito na yung start ng Calvaria natin. It's gonna be good. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. Yeah. Kailangan natin yan. Paulit-ulit na raman sa sarili natin. We're built different. We're built different. Wait. I'm straining myself for a longer period now. Last 2. See that? Last uphill. Grabe yung uphill pasunta dun. Bakit? Galing JKQ. This one, okay na to. Konti lang to. Up. Again. Last one. Hirap pala. Mahirap. 12. 1 hour. 12:01. Mabuti na lang kami sama ang panahon. This is my first time doing this. 12 kilometers straight na below 7 yung pace. Tapos walang refuel. It's really a hard part of the training. Pero I'm happy. I did it. Hindi ako nag-DNF. Thank you. I made myself proud and that's all that matters to me. I just need to experience the feeling of dehydrated para maiwasan. Ganun talaga. You have to immerse yourself to that situation. You have to understand it. Out of order tong taan natin yan. Out of order pre.